A fishing boat is coming. They almost capsized due to the large number of fish caught today. They are in a hurry to get home to their port because of the large catch they have. Their port is still ahead at the end of this bay. The path here towards their port is narrow, with fish cages standing on the left and right. You won't see any crew because everyone is asleep except for the pilot of the fishing boat. When they are on operation, they don't sleep all night. Pulling the net is done manually. There are no machines to help speed up the work. This is the situation of the local fishermen here. Hey, there's a strange boat coming. It looks nice and indeed unique. Just wait. Let's wait for it to pass by here near us to see what kind of boat this is. It's actually a catamaran yacht. It's the first time I've seen a yacht pass by here. I thought no one came inside the bay because this place is not well known. But it's a good experience for them to explore this area. Their yacht is beautiful. There are foreigners on board and one Philippine crew member. Let's follow along to see the back. They are headed to New Washington, Akron, because the port is ahead, and before reaching the port in the middle of the passage or canal, there is a shipyard. Next, Navy ship entering the bay.